Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is a cut floral arrangement video. I am so excited to be sharing with you, ladies and gentlemen, this cut floral arrangement video. And this video, of course, is all about this beautiful floral arrangement that I have just put together. And of course, this is absolutely gorgeous. And I wanted to share this beautiful floral arrangement with all of you. But before I get into the details of the floral arrangement, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week, and I do tablescaping videos, home decor videos, gardening videos, and how to entertain at home videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification. And also, I do post videos throughout the week. So that's the reason why it's so important to click on the bell, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. So today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is all about this beautiful floral arrangement. It was raining outside, and I've decided to go ahead and cut some flowers from my backyard and share with you this beautiful floral arrangement that I have just put together. And I love this floral arrangement. It is so pretty, and you know that I always share anything that brings beauty, that brings joy to my life. And one of the things that bring beauty and joy to my life are flowers. I just love flowers. I think they just so beautiful, and like I said, they bring beauty and joy to my life, and I want to share with all of you this beautiful floral arrangement. So let me go over all of the flowers that I am putting together in this beautiful floral arrangement. Okay everyone, so let me go over all of the flowers that are in this beautiful floral arrangement. And this floral arrangement is just so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go over all of the flowers in this beautiful floral arrangement. So the first flower that I am gonna be sharing with everyone is, of course, the yellow flowers that you see here, the tiny yellow flowers. Now, I have forgotten the name of these tiny yellow flowers, but I usually use them when I do floral arrangements. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I use them just to bring a little bit more of character to the floral arrangement, just to make the floral arrangement look, more vibrant and more beautiful. And I just love it because it kind of gives the floral arrangement a whimsical touch, and it just pulls everything together. And I also use it as a filler. So again, I just love these beautiful tiny yellow flowers. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now, as far as the other tiny flower that I have here, I do have some salvia, which is these tiny purple flowers right here. So I do have some salvia in my backyard. And as far as the other flowers that are on here that are not roses, I have this flower right here, and I have forgotten the name of this flower as well. And if I do happen to find it, I'm going to insert the name down below in the description box. Okay, so I have it also tucked in under here as well. And so now let me just go over the roses. And and another flower that's not a rose is I think this one is called Plumbago, which is a beautiful light color blue purple rose. It's more of a light blue, but it is just absolutely gorgeous as well. And I have Bloombago throughout the floral arrangement. Really, really pretty. And so now let me go over the roses. So the first rose that I want to share that is in this beautiful floral arrangement is Quicksilver. So I have Quicksilver here, and I also have Quicksilver in here and here. And let me see. And I also think I have some Quicksilver here as well. So Quicksilver, as you can see, is a lavender color rose. And it is beautiful. As you can see, it goes really well with other types of flowers, like these yellow flowers here, and also the salvia. And it is a climber, and it has a wonderful fragrance as well. And the other rose that I have that's more of a mauvey purple, so Quicksilver is more of a lavender purple. It has a little bit of mauve to it as well, but the one that's a little bit more of a purpley mauve is Heirloom Rose, which is, this one is Heirloom Rose, this one is also Heirloom, and this one is Heirloom, and I'm thinking this one is Heirloom as well. Okay, and I think I have Heirloom Rose tucked under here as well. So Heirloom Rose is, again, a gorgeous, it's not really lavender, but it's more of a mauvey purple rose. It is gorgeous, and it also have a wonderful fragrance as well. Now I also have Quicksilver tucked in here. She is tucked in here between the other roses. And for the red roses, I have Don Juan again, which is a beautiful climber, and again, beautiful fragrance as well. And I also have Don Juan right over here. So I have two Don Juans, and I also have Red Eden right in here. So I have two Red Edens. And for the pink one that is in the middle, this is called Belinda's Dream. And I also have Iceberg right in here, which is a white rose. And then tucked in between here, I have a David Austin rose, which is called Claire Austin Rose, and that one is a climber. And I also have another rose right here. This one is called Gold Medal, right over here, this yellow rose. And then, of course, the last rose that I want to share is this kind of like a coral color rose, and this one is called Fragrance Crush. And here is this beautiful bouquet of roses. So here is my cut floral arrangement, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I really love sharing these cut floral arrangements because it kind of gives you, an idea that, if you do want to plant flowers in your backyard and you don't want to spend money all the time buying flowers at the grocery store or, at your florist, you just have the flowers in your backyard, and whenever you want to have fresh cut flowers, you just have them right here. You just take a beautiful crystal vase or any type of vase that you have at home, and you just have a very beautiful floral arrangement that can last for days and is just gorgeous. I will be doing a floral arrangement video. I might end up doing it with some silk flowers because I also love silk flowers as well, and I love cut flowers as well. So I will be doing a floral arrangement video. Now, I did do another video on floral arrangements, and I'll be linking everything down below in the description box as far as the videos. And I'll be posting pictures of this floral arrangement on my Instagram. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this cut floral arrangement, cut flowers floral arrangement video. And I will be doing more videos like this, and I will be doing more tablescaping videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.